Yasmin here. Welcome to my second travel vlog. In this video, I would like to share with you guys what I've been up to in the past weekend. And I'm very sure some of you have seen some of my photos on Instagram. I've just been posting photos of some street stuff. Thank you for checking them out. In this video specifically, I've actually collected some videos just to show you what it's like, exploring these places. But I didn't just explore these places by myself. I actually joined Olympus photography workshop. The good thing about the workshops is that you get to learn about your camera, literally, and how to use it and how to navigate and how to use, the natural light, how to use your lens. That's one of the best things that I've learned. There were 4 workshops that I joined. So the first one was the night street photography workshop, which was held in Central Market. The second one I went was to KL Bird Park. And then the third one was the cultural photography workshop, which was held in Batu Caves. And the fourth one, which was recently, is the street photography workshop, which was also in Central Market, but of course during the day, right? So without further ado, enjoy the video.